don't forget to join us this Saturday as we have an open house here in Douglasville, Georgia, in this beautiful neighborhood. Check out some of the homes that are already built. You can see these spacious lots, and this community is just 2 miles away from downtown Douglasville and only 25 minutes away from the Georgia Aquarium, Ponce City Market, and 25 minutes from the heart of Atlanta. So just come and take a ride with me. And if you would like to see the floor plans that are available and also take a look at what else Douglasville has to offer, then give me a call at 770-686-1390 or register at eventbrite.com to join us on this Saturday, September 28th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. in Douglasville, Georgia. We will be holding this new construction community open house on that day, so I hope to see you there.